I know you're probably wondering, what is this? Well, what I ordered was, I got my cutter right here, and that's what I'm just going to be using to open the package. So this is it. I'm struggling trying to open this thing because it's well sealed, like it's well sealed. Black box. What's up YouTube, it's your boy at Leduum, and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're just gonna be unboxing a package that I got recently from Jumia. So yeah, let's get into the video. I know you're probably wondering what this is. Well, what I ordered was a graphic tablet from Jumia. I wanted to explore that medium of art, so I ordered a graphic tablet for creating digital artworks. The tablet came in this nice simple bag, and it will enable me drawing the computer. I got my cutter right here, and that's what I'm just gonna be using to open the package. So yeah, they delivered this thing around Friday evening, and today is already Monday. I have to wait for you guys so you guys can see it with me. Just trying to open the bag right here, and let's play. Wow. Okay. I think this is my. Hope my address is not here, but look at it. It cost 20,790 naira. So yeah. This is it. So this is it. I'm struggling trying to open this thing because it's well sealed. Like it's well sealed. So I'm kind of struggling right now to open this. Yeah, this is it. This is the tablet right here. It is a VInsa product. It's kind of like a semi-premium device, but this is what I got, a VInsa T608 tablet. It has a controller knob and some shortcut buttons. It's also a battery-free pen tablet, meaning that whenever I want to use the graphic tablet, I don't need to charge the pen to draw on the graphic tablet. I'm about to open this, remove the plastic seal for this tablet. Okay. Oh, look how it is. How do they get into this place? Okay, it has a peel. The tablet came with a bag with different components in it. This is like the screen protector for the surface of the tablet to prevent scratches and wears and tears. This is a hand glove for drawing on the tablet. And this is the bag. It came with some extra pocket for like storage space. It came with some cables, an OTG cable and a USB-C cable. And lastly, it came with some extra pen nibs. They are 8 in number. Finally, this is off. Yeah, so the tablet is in this black box. Wow, so nice. Okay. We got the tablet here. Let's see what other stuff we have. Okay. We have the pen right here. Nothing too special. It looks like a normal everyday pen. There is also another cable for connecting the tablet to the computer so it can be used to draw. This is an OTG to USB-C adapter. And the user manuals. Just some paper, random paper. So yeah, this is what we have in the box. It came with only one pen. You can see one pen. I'm keeping it right there. So this is the tablet right here. This is the tablet. It has the seal over it too, some plastic seal, which I'm going to peel out right now. This is the moment you all have been waiting for. So yeah, this is the tablet right here. Wow, it kind of looks like my iPad. And it has a controller note feature. It says something here. The protective film on the surface must be turned off. Okay, so there is a protective film. Okay. Wow. So I'm about to. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh, wow. Satisfying. Wow. Wow, so satisfying. Get a glimpse of it. I'm about to be creating some digital artworks with this tablet. I think this is I don't know what this is. So I'm about to be creating some digital artwork with this tablet. I don't know how they put on this protective case, but I know it's like this. Okay. Okay, something like this. Okay, I think I've put on the protective case. This is how it's used. And I'm about to connect it to my laptop and try to install it. So this is me on my computer on screen. The first thing to do when setting up the tablet in your computer is to download the tablet driver from the website of the tablet brand. I've already downloaded the driver, so there is no need for me to do that again. What I need to do now is to go to the file location where the driver file is downloaded. So this is what you'll be seeing after downloading the driver of the tablet. This is what you'll be seeing, tablet setup. So what you need to do is to install it. Because I've already installed it, I don't need to do that again. So if you install it properly, this is what you'll be seeing. This is graphic tablet icon. This is what you'll be seeing right here, graphic tablet icon. So you need to open it. When you open it, if your tablet is not connected, it will be showing tablet not found. To be showing tablet not found, and you need to connect it through using the USB-C cable that I was talking about earlier. So I'll have to connect the tablet right now because my tablet is not connected. So when you connect the tablet, this notification will pop up and it will say tablet connected. So yeah, now the tablet is connected and you can test on the paint area. By the way, these are the function keys that came with the tablet. It has like a shortcut button, like as you can see here. You can modify this thing to any how you want it. This is the pressure fine tune. It makes the tablet strokes bigger, more bolder, or more lighter. If you slide it towards this softer angle, it will make the tablet strokes more bigger. But if you slide it towards the harder angle, it will make the tablet stroke more thinner. So this is it for this area. This pressure fine tune don't really matter like that. It's just for you to just regulate how the tablet's pen pressure is. It's just for you to just regulate how the pen pressure stuff is. So this is how it is. As you can see, this is for left-handed people. If you turn this off, you can be able to use the tablet using your left hand if you're left-handed. So I need to turn that thing off because I'm not left-handed. So yeah, this is the test area. I set the pressure fine-tune to 6. As you can see, this is the level of the pressure sensitivity. The tablet came with the pressure sensitivity. Look at how it is. The more you press down on the pen, the more pressure you get. The lighter you press on the pen, the lighter pressure you get. So yeah, I need you to subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notification. Subscribing to my channel is free, it does not cost any much. Just subscribe, please. If you did all what I said correctly, you will be able to start drawing on any drawing software of your choice. If you all like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notification, share this video to your friends that love art, and I will see you all in my next video. Toodles, peace.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town.